Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and you are staying safe. This week on Guided Reading, we will be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you with your reading. The ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at the pictures in the book to help you with the words, and your stretchy snake is where you look at the letters in the word and you stretch the sounds out slowly and you go back and say the sounds all together. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Baby. B-A-B-E. You have a go for me? Good job. Well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Baby. B-A-B-E. Good job. Well done. The book that we're going to be looking at this week is called Ant and the Baby. So boys and girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Don't forget you all have access to Oxford Owl now, so let's have a read. Ant and the Baby. In this story, we have Ant and a baby. Come and see the baby. Ant is just too small. Come and see the baby. Ant cannot see at all. Come and see the baby. Ant wishes he was tall. How can he see the baby? This is no good at all. The way to see the baby. 1, 2, 3. It is to be very small. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it again, or on Oxford Owl they have the audio play button, where they will read it to you. This week on Guided Reading, we are going to do another word search. So, to access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I will give you in your portfolio and it will bring you to this page. To join the word search, you enter your name and press start. When that has loaded, you will need to press start again and find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your fantastic work. Enjoy and have fun.